for question number 37. Actually, if you read the question, it says let k to be a constant and find the range that the quadratic is greater than 0 for any real value of x. So actually, if you think about this question in terms of a graphical form, they're telling us that the value of this curve should always be greater than or equal to 0. So we'll be expecting a curve like that, okay? Just a curve that when it's equal to 0, that means it's touching the x-axis, and when it's greater than 0, it's not touching the x-axis. So in that essence, that we are expecting on the x-axis either one answer or no answer. So that means that the discriminant can be less than 0 or equal to 0. Okay? So if that's the case, then all we need to do is to just put the b value, which is k in this case, minus 4a, and the c is k plus 8. And if you now do the quadratic, we have a k squared minus 4k minus 32. And now we just have to do the quadratic inequality. And to do the quadratic inequality, we just need to do the cross method first so that we can factorize this answer, which is negative 8 and positive 4. So it's k minus 8 and k plus 4. So we have two answers. One is giving us a negative 4 and a positive 8. And because, again, we need to think about this as a curve. Now, this is a curve with k squared term being a positive number. So it's a curve that's opening upward with the 2 points which it passes through at the x-axis at negative 4 and 8. And the inequality requires us to answer the solution for when the quadratic is less than or equal to 0. So we will be looking at the region where the curve is on the negative side. So that is when the x values are in this region. So therefore, the answer for k values lies in between negative 4 and the 8. So therefore, the answer is B.